Today, I'm going to show you how to fry an egg. First, you're going to need a pan, butter, a knife, a spatula, and most importantly, an egg. To start, you're going to put your stove on medium to high heat to warm up the pan before you put butter on. When the pan's warmed up, apply some butter to prevent the egg from sticking. Now that the butter is melted, it's time to begin cooking the egg. I personally leave the eggshell in there, as it gives it a bit of an extra crunch you wouldn't get otherwise. Now this is optional, but I like to give my eggs a bit of flavor with seasoning. Today I'm going to be using popcorn seasoning, salt and vinegar flavor. Alright, so it's cooked relatively well on that side, which means it's time to flip it. Now, just let it cook on this side for a bit and the egg will be done. Now that the egg is done, it's ready to be served. And just like that, a perfect egg. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to cook an egg perfect every time, just like me. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit!